Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day number 2 for our distance learning. We are going to start off with our power-up. So if you haven't already done the math facts up on top, please pause the video and please complete them. When you're done, you may continue on with the video. If you have already completed the math facts, then we're going to jump right into our jump start. Remember, this is going to be a little bit different than what we do in class, so if you could please turn over your power-up, and you may begin working on these as soon as I let you know what you're doing. If there isn't a backspace, because I can't remember if I did front to back, you can find some of the white space around the border, maybe on the front of the power-up, or you could even do it on a separate sheet of paper, or maybe even in your blue notebook. Okay, so for the first jump start, what I'd like you to do is skip count by 25s, starting at 0 and ending at 250. Once again, I want you to skip count by 25s, starting at 0, ending at 250. The second, what I would like you to do is skip count by 10s. I'd like you to start at 0 and end at 110. Once again, skip count by 10s, starting at 0, ending at 110. Alright, in one of the boxes that has the pencil, I'd like you to solve this. Aaron had a $10 bill. He bought a set of juggling balls for $4.65. Name the fewest bills and coins he could receive for change. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to work. Alright, the next box that has the pencil, this is one of those secret number clues. I'm going to give you a couple of clues, and I just want you to maybe write some things down and try to figure out what the missing, or sorry, not the missing, but the mystery number is, the secret number. So the first clue is, it is a 2-digit number. The sum of the digits is 8. The product of the digits is 0. Go ahead and pause the video, and then you can restart it when you are complete. Go upstairs, please, boys. This is very distracting for me. Alright, mental math, letters A, B, C, D. I'm going to read them off. Go ahead and pause the video when you need time to work, and you may continue on with the video as soon as you are done with it, and you can listen to the next one. Here we go. Letter A. I want you to figure out what 2 times 4 times 6. What is 2 times 4 times 6? Letter B. 130 plus 22 plus 70. I apologize, that's my phone going off. Once again, letter B. 130 plus 22 plus 70. Letter C is measurement. How many centimeters are in 3 meters? How many centimeters are in 3 meters? Letter D, we have a spinner, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. I'm just going to use letter abbreviations, and I'll let you know what they mean. So those are different colors. We have yellow, green, yellow, and orange. If we were to take a spinner and we were to spin it, what color would this spinner most likely land on? What color would the spinner most likely land on? Alright, last chance to pause the video. I'm going to start going over the answers. So if there's one of them that you did not complete all the way, or you want to go back and look at some of your work, you may. But I'm going to start reading off the answers. I know I didn't do this yesterday and I apologize, but that's why I'm making sure that I do it today and from this point going forward. So, the first box that has the pencil. The fewest bills and coins should be one $5 bill, 1 quarter, and 1 dime. The second one, the secret number. The secret number was 80. A, B, C, D. When you multiplied A out, when you multiplied A out, you ended up with 48. Letter B, after you added those together, you should end up with 222. Letter C, when you the measurement, there would be 300 centimeters in 3 meters. And finally, letter D, the spinner would most likely land on yellow. Most likely because we have 2 spots that are yellow. One's orange, one's green. So there's a better chance that it'll land on yellow. Alright, now we'll go on to our problem solving. Josh watched the night sky from 9 to 10 during the meteor shower. He saw twice as many meteors after 9:30 as he saw before 9:30. Josh counted 24 meteors altogether. How many meteors did Josh see before 9:30? Once again, I will read it, but if you have your book, you could open up to page 585, and the power-up is in there for you. Once again, Josh watched the night sky from 9 to 10 during the meteor shower. He saw twice as many meteors after 9:30 as he saw before 9:30. Josh counted 24 meteors altogether. How many meteors did Josh see before 9:30? Go ahead and pause the video and you may work through that. When you are ready, you may resume the video. Alright, so we are going to look at Josh and his meteors. I'm just going to make a box because this is before 9:30 and this would be after 9:30. Now this isn't the only way to solve the problem, but this is one way that you could set it up to solve it. This is how many meteors he saw before 9:30. This is how many meteors he saw after 9:30. And we know that all together he saw 24 meteors. The other thing that we know is, we don't know what this number is, so we're going to say that that's x, because it could be any number. Remember, we've talked about x being used in algebra. This is a number that we don't know what it is right now, but we will be able to figure it out. And we also know that after he saw twice as many. So we could do x. Oh, I don't want to do this. Times 2. Because he saw twice as many. Well, when we figure that out, x would be 8. This 8 times 2 would be 16. When we add those together, we come up with 24 meteors. Thank you for watching the power-up portion of the math videos, and I will be doing the lesson shortly.